Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
If you like our family, you are always running out of batteries and you're spending a fortune on batteries. But no more for us. We got this HiQuick battery recharger and it has helped so much. My boys are always playing video games and their batteries were going dead all the time. I would find batteries around the house and it was stressing me out. So now when they have a dead battery, they just stick it in the needs charge bag. When I get around to it, I charge them all and then I put them in the charge bag and they are ready to go. It's a great system and causing me a lot less stress. What's really nice about this charger is it fits 8 batteries at one time and it can charge AAA and AA on the same charger. So there's no separate charger for each different kind of battery. It plugs into USB-C, which is so nice because that's what all of our phones use, so I can just plug it right into our charging station. The set comes with the charger and 4 AAA and 4 AA, so you are all set to go. It charges super fast, less than a couple hours, and all of them have been charged. When they're charging, it's red, and when they are done, they turn green, and they are all ready to go. This little thing has been a lifesaver. It has been so great not worrying about whether or not we have batteries. If you are like us and need batteries all the time, this is definitely a must-have.
And that's my point of view.